The mainnet Genesis of Fogo is live. You can now transfer USDC from any Solana-compatible wallet to the Fogo chain. We'll be using Fogo Sessions. Side quest. Fogo Sessions is an application. Think of your gateway or your home or your front door to the Fogo blockchain. I'll get deeper into a video on it, but just know when you're interacting with Fogo chain, you want to use Fogo Sessions because all the dApps and apps, games, DEXs, Perps DEXs are all incorporating it, and it creates a much better user experience. It's sweet. Get more into that in another video. Back to main quest. The way to transfer USDC from a Solana-compatible wallet to Fogo is first you're going to go to portfolio.fogo.io. Bookmark it. This is your homepage for right now to the Fogo blockchain. And then you take any Solana-compatible wallet, make sure you have a little bit of Solana in it and as much USDC as you want to transfer over. You sign in to the portfolio page. Then you select transfer in. You select the amount of USDC you want to transfer. You click transfer, wait a few seconds, and you're good to go. Let's talk real crypto user to crypto user. You're going to notice that you just transferred USDC from Solana to Fogo using Fogo Sessions, and you never left the Fogo Sessions application. But you used Wormhole in the background. This is the first time you get to see the benefits of Fogo Sessions. And this application is going to open up a world of different applications on the Fogo blockchain. So now you've transferred in your USDC. You have it here, standing by, waiting for next steps. Sounds great. Now say you want to transfer out. You go to your Fogo Sessions, you go to portfolio, you're going to see transfer out. You select USDC and you transfer out. There's a little bit of a fee. So going in, that's like 1 basis point. Transferring out, it's about 2 USDC. So just keep that in mind if you decide you want to transfer USDC back. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. There's other ways to bridge, and those will be included in the community docs. You can head to the website and go to community docs. Man, Fogo Mainnet Genesis has launched.